Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to create a slick ponytail look. It's perfect for when your hair is greasy and you don't have time to wash it and style it. Start off by brushing the hair, then parting it either in the middle or the sides. Today I'll be doing a middle part. Make 4 sections, 2 on the side, 1 at the top around the crown and 1 at the back. It should look something like this. Start at the bottom. Make sure to spray the hair with water from roots to mid-length of the hair. Then use a strong hold gel. I'm using the L'Oreal Gel Sculptor. Comb the hair using a bow or bristle brush. This type of brush is best when creating a slick look. I'm using a rubber band, but I would recommend a hair tie so it's more durable. Do at least 3 loops around the hair. Now onto the crown area. I'm going to repeat the same process I did around the nape by adding gel, water, and then slicking it down with the brush. Once you get to the sides, make sure you spray enough water and product, especially near the hairline and around the ear. Make sure you use your brush to mold the hair around the ear towards the back. Now repeat the same step on the other side. Once you have finished each section, add hairspray all throughout. To cover the rubber bands, I'm going to grab a little bit of hair from the side and twist it around it. When pinning it, I always make sure I crisscross the pin so it's secured in place. This part is versatile, just like the parting. You can either curl the ends or go over with a straightener. Today I'm going to opt for the pin straight look because it's faster. For the final touches, I'll go over with the hairspray again to ensure that there's no flyaways. And we are all done. Look at these final results. I love how versatile this style is. It can be done on any age range and any type of hair.